How to make Facebook page for your YouTube channel. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to the video. And in this video I will teach you how you can make a Facebook page for your YouTube channel. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up Facebook and log in into your account. You can log in with your personal account here. Now to create a new page, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner with the 3-line icon. That's gonna take you to your menu page. Here you have to tap on pages and that will show you all of the pages that you have in your account. So create a new page for your YouTube channel or your YouTube account. Tap on create at the top left corner. Here you could choose between your personal and professional. So for your YouTube channel you could go with professional, then tap on next. Here tap on next. Now you have to provide your page name. Here you can use your YouTube channel name for the branding. So here provide your YouTube channel name. Then tap on next. After that, under category, you can select something like video creator, YouTuber or entertainment website. Then tap on create. Now you will be asked to enter the bio where you can add a short description of your channel on this bio. If not, you could just leave it as it is. Under that, you could add a website, you could add email, also the phone number, add location, zip code and all. Once you're done with that, click on next. Now you can use your YouTube logo or high quality headshot for your profile. If you want to add the profile, tap on this camera icon on the profile, then select your YouTube logo. And for the cover image, you could use a banner style image related to your channel. So if you have the banner image, provide your banner image as your cover photo. Once done, tap on next. Now you could also invite friends to like your piece. Search for the friends from here that are friend with you on your personal account, and you could also invite them to like your page. Once done, tap on next. And here you have an option whether you want to toggle on this option as marketing and promotional events about your page. If you want that, you could turn on this toggle, and for the notification, leave it turned. Then tap on done. And with that, you have successfully created a page for your YouTube account. Now you can upload short clips or previews from your YouTube videos on your Facebook page as well, and engage with followers via the comments and messenger. So that's the way to create a Facebook page for your YouTube account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.